Hello students, it is our fourth video of M2. In last video, we saw the different tests of similarities. In this video, we will see the properties of similar triangles. In last standard, as we saw the properties of congruent triangles, reflexivity, transitivity and symmetry. Similarly, the similar triangles are also having these properties. Therefore, let us see, first property is reflexivity. It means that if each triangle is congruent to itself, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक ट्रायंगल हा स्वतःशी कॉन्ग्रंट असतो. त्याच पद्धतीनं प्रत्येक ट्रायंगल जो आहे तो स्वतःशी सिमिलर असतो. ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल ABC. देन सेकंड इज सिमेट्री. If one triangle is similar to another triangle, then second or another triangle is similar to first triangle. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then triangle DEF is also similar to triangle ABC. Then third property is transitivity. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It means if first triangle is congruent similar to another second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first triangle is similar to third triangle. These are the properties of similar triangles, and these similar properties we will use in next some examples. Therefore, we have to remember it always. Now let us see practice set 1.3. Your first question is, in figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also, write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Let us see this first question. Here we have to find that which two triangles are similar triangles and by which one-to-one correspondence. Therefore, and by which similarity test. First, for finding the two triangles, first if we observe the triangle ABC and here second triangle is EDC. Here angle B is of 75 and D is of 75. For proving the similarity in these two triangles, first, if we imagine triangle ABC as like EDC, this triangle ABC, if we draw it is as if this B angle is here, here angle A and here angle C. If we imagine this triangle ABC is as like and then we solve the question. Here angle ABC is equal to 75 and EDC is of 75. Then in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC. Reason each of 75 degree. Here one angle is already given. One pair of congruent angle is already given. Here one angle C is common between angle ABC and triangle ABC and EDC. Therefore write here angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD. Reason common angle. Therefore these two triangles are similar, by which test? Here two angles are congruent, therefore the triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. These two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. And which is the one-to-one correspondence? Is ABC one-to-one correspondence EDC. Now next second question is, are the triangles in figure similar? If yes, by which test? Here two triangles are given and their sides are also given. If we have to prove the similarity in these two triangles, we have calculate their sides in proportion. Therefore in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स आपल्याला सिमिलर दाखवायचे असतील तर त्यांच्या साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन मध्ये आहेत की नाही हे आपल्याला बघावं लागेल. म्हणून पहिल्यांदा साइड्स राइट चेक द साइड्स विच आर इन proportion or not. PQ upon LM is equal to, PQ is 6, LM is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here it is 1. Second side QR upon MN. QR is of 8, MN is 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It is second. And third side PR upon LN is equal to, PR is 10 and LN is 5. 5 twos are 10. Now from 1, 2 and 3 we say that the sides are in proportion. Therefore write here from 1, 2 and 3 sides are in proportion. It means PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. By which test of similarity? Therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. Therefore these two triangles are similar by SSS test of similarity. Now third question is, As shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. Therefore, do your perpendicular sign. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole at the same time? Here, shadow is at same time. Therefore, first we know that the shadow shadow at same time it forms a similar triangles. Therefore, write here shadow of two poles at the same time forms two similar triangles. Therefore, we have here two similar triangles A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. And these triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, write here triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. These triangles are similar triangles, therefore their sides are in proportion. Therefore, write here AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. We have here AC is equal to 8 and PR is of 4. BC is X and QR is 6. Here by cross multiplication 4 into X is equal to 6 into 8. Therefore, X is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Therefore, X is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. X is equal to 12. Here, value of BC is 10. Is 12 meter. BC is equal to 12. Therefore, our answer is the longer pole meter shadow. Now, fourth question is in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, and AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, and BC is of 12. Then we have to prove that triangle CPA is congruent to triangle CQB. As well as we have to find AC is equal to how many. Then for the proving the similarity in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, we have AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. It means angle P and angle Q are of 90 degree. Therefore, write here angle APC is congruent to angle BQC, each of 90 degree. And second, angle C is common angle between these two triangles. Therefore, angle C is congruent to angle C, common angle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. These two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity. Now, these two triangles are similar. It means that their sides are in proportion. Therefore, write these sides are in proportion. AP upon BQ. Therefore, their sides are AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC is equal to AC upon is PC upon QC. We have to find AC. Therefore, take these two ratios. Therefore, AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. After taking the values, AP is of 7, BQ is of 8, AC we have to calculate, and BC is of 12. Therefore, after taking cross multiplication, 7 into 12 is equal to AC into 8. Therefore, AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, AC is equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 2. 10.5. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5. Now, fifth question is, in trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to SR. Therefore, write here given quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium and side PQ is parallel to SR. Write here side PQ is parallel to side SR. Next, AR is equal to 5 AP. Here, AR is equal to 5 AP and AS is equal to 5 AQ. AS is equal to 5 AQ. Then prove that. We have to prove SR is equal to 5 PQ. SR is equal to 5 PQ. For proving SR is equal to 5 PQ, first we have to prove the triangle APQ and triangle ASR are the similar triangles. ट्रॅपेझियम आणि ट्रॅपेझियम मध्ये असणारे दोन ट्रायंगल्स आपण जर सिमिलर येथे प्रूव्ह केलं तर आपल्याला SR इज इक्वल टू 5 PQ हे प्रूव्ह करता येईल. PQRS is a trapezium and here side PQ parallel to side SR, and if we take QS is a transversal, then angle PQS or PQS is congruent to angle QSR. These are the alternate angles. Now PQ is parallel to side SR, and if we take PR is a transversal, PQ parallel to SR and PR is a transversal, then angle QPR is congruent to angle PRS. Write as number 2. These are also alternate angles. Now, in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, we have this angle QPA is congruent to angle ARS. Here we prove that, and the angle PQA is congruent to angle ASR. Therefore, write here angle QPA is congruent to angle ARS to and angle PQA is similar congruent to angle ASR from 1. Therefore, these two triangles PAQ is similar to triangle RAS by AA test of similarity. If these two triangles are similar triangles, then their sides are in proportion. Therefore, write here the sides. AP upon AR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon SR. Now we have the values of AP is equal to we have the value of AR and AS. Therefore, put on these values. AP upon AR is of 5 AP is equal to AQ upon AS is of 5 AQ is equal to PQ upon SR. Here AP get cancelled, AQ get cancelled. Therefore, PQ upon SR is equal to 1 upon 5. After taking cross multiplication, PQ into 5 is equal to SR. Hence, it is the proof. Therefore, SR is equal to 5 PQ. Now, sixth question is, in trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to CD. Right here. Side AB is parallel to side CD. And if AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6 and OB is equal to 15, then find OD. Then we have to find OD. Therefore, write here to find OD is equal to, or length of the OD. Now, ABCD is a trapezium and the diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. Therefore, after intersecting, they are having two triangles, triangle COD and triangle AOB. If we prove that these two triangles are similar triangles, जर आपण हे दोन्ही triangles similar आहेत हे जर प्रूव्ह केलं तर आपल्याला OD ची लेंथ जी आहे ती काढता येईल. Therefore, write here in triangle COD and triangle AOB, side AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, and if we take BC or BD is transversal, then angle CDO is congruent to angle OBA. It is alternate angles. Similarly, if AC is a transversal, angle DCO is congruent to angle OAB. Therefore, these are also alternate angles. Therefore, these two triangles COD is similar to triangle AOB by AA test of similarity. We prove that these two triangles are similar triangles, therefore their sides are in proportion. Therefore, first write these sides are in proportion is CO upon AO is equal to OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB. We have to find OD, therefore, and we have value of AB, value of CD and value of OB. Therefore, we take these two proportion, OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB. Now, putting the values of OD is, we have to calculate, therefore OB is of 15, CD is 6 and AB is 20. After taking cross multiplication, OD into 20 is equal to 6 into 15. Therefore, OD is equal to 6 into 15 upon 20. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, OD is equal to 9 upon 2. It is 4.5. Therefore, OD is equal to 4.5. It is the value of OD. Now, seventh question is, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersects ray AB in point T. Then prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Here DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Here, if we observe the diagram, there are two triangles, triangle CED and triangle BET. If we prove that these two triangles are similar triangles, then we have to prove DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Let us solve. Here given is ABCD is a parallelogram, and we have to prove DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. For proving that, first we have to prove the triangle CED and triangle BET are the similar triangles. Therefore, write here proof. In parallelogram ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC. AB is parallel to DC. It means that AT also parallel to DC. Therefore, AT is parallel to DC or BT also parallel to DC. Now, AT is parallel to DC, and if we take it is a transversal, then this angle and this angle are the congruent angles. These angles are alternate angles. Similarly, this and these angles are also congruent, or this angle are also alternate vertically opposite angles. Therefore, by AA test or AAA test, we have to prove here triangle BET and triangle CED are the similar triangles. Let us solve. and BC is transversal. Therefore, angle TBE is congruent to angle DCE. These are the alternate angles. Write it as number 1. And now in triangle DEC and TEB, first this angle is congruent, therefore angle TBE is congruent to angle DCE from 1, and second is vertically opposite angles are angle DEC, angle TEB is congruent to angle DEC. These are the vertically opposite angles. Therefore, these two triangles are DEC is similar to triangle TEB by AA test of similarity. Now, these triangles are similar triangles, therefore their sides are in proportion. Write their sides are DE upon TE is equal to EC upon EB is equal to DC upon TB. Here we have DE into BE, DE into EB and BE CE into TE. Therefore, we take here two ratios, DE upon TE is equal to EC upon EB. After taking cross multiplication, DE into EB is equal to EC into TE. Hence, it is the proof. Now, 8th question is, in the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Here, write it in given part. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Then prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Therefore, write here to prove triangle ABP similar to triangle CABP similar to CDP. For proving these two triangles are similar triangles, we have AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Now, their two sides are in proportion. Here, one angle is congruent angle. Therefore, we prove that these two triangles are similar by SAS test of similarity. Right here, proof. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. It is given. And angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP, by which test? here two sides are in proportion and one angle is congruent angle. Therefore, these two sides and including one angle, it means that side angle side SAS, test of similarity. Now next ninth question or last question of practice set 1.3 is, in the figure triangle ABC point D on side BC is such that angle BAC, this angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. Then prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Therefore, write in given part angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. We have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Write here proof. We have here two triangles, triangle BAC and triangle ADC. In these two triangles, one angle is congruent. This A angle and this D angle are congruent, which is already given. And if we observe the diagram, we have here angle C is also congruent angle because this C angle is common angle in these two triangles. C angle जो आहे तो दोन्ही ट्रायंगल मधला कॉमन अँगल आहे आणि म्हणून AA टेस्ट वरून आपल्याला दोन्ही ट्रायंगल जे आहेत ते सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स प्रूव्ह करता येतील. Therefore, write here in triangle BAC and triangle ADC. Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC, which is already given, and angle C is congruent to angle C. It is a common angle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA test of similarity. If these two triangles are similar by AA test of similarity, it means that their sides are in proportion. Therefore, write their sides in proportion. CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA is AB upon AD. Now we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. CD, CB, CA, CA. Therefore, we take here these two ratios. CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. After taking cross multiplication, CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. Therefore, write here CA into CA is CA square is equal to CB into CD. Hence, it is the proof.